can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Polkadot. Polkadot is up 18% over the last 1 month. Is this the start of something great? Currently trading around the $1.5 trillion level. How high can Polkadot possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Right now, there's apathy in the cryptocurrency market. There's extreme fear gripping the whole market. All coins are dead. That's what market participants are saying. We look at Polkadot's performance against the US dollar. Polkadot is almost trading at an all-time low. Should we buy more right now? Is it going to be a smart decision to accumulate some money into Polkadot? We also look at Polkadot's performance against Bitcoin, also at an all-time low. Polkadot's performance against Ethereum, and finally we look at Polkadot's market cap, which has dropped to as low as $2.5 billion. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Polkadot's currently trading around $1.5 trillion at the point of recording of this video, with a market cap of $2.56 billion. Polkadot is an OG altcoin. It has been here since 2020. The first bull market for Polkadot saw it pumping to crazy heights, going from the $2.7 level where it was launched. We saw Polkadot topping around $50. It's crazy to think about it that at some point in time in the past, Polkadot was trading high around the $50 region. But since then, guys, it's been a trip down to Goblin Town. Now, all coins are very, very volatile. They can pump aggressively to the upside when the market is bullish. But then we have the other side of the coin where they dump to Goblin Town when the market is bearish. If you look at Polkadot's US dollar price valuation, you see that Polkadot has been dumping for a very, very long time. Since November 2021, topped around $54. Since then, it's been a huge decline. We've seen Polkadot even get to an all-time low of $1.13, a 97.91% decline in just about 1,554 days. Polkadot's all-time high happened at around $55. The all-time low happened 1 month ago, around the $1.13 level. Why are we advocating to buy more Polkadot right now? First point of view, we are already near all-time lows, and historically, that has always been a good time to buy. The mantra is to buy when the prices are low, to sell when the prices are high, to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when we see extreme greed, that's usually a good time to sell. 2021, there was extreme greed. All coins were the talk of the town. Market participants were gobbling all coins front, left, and center. Right now, market participants are scared to touch all coins. This extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, the general consensus is that all coins are going to zero. The last few times we saw Polkadot attempt to counter rally, it got stopped out at the $10 level. The last 2 times Polkadot rallied to $10, it got rejected there, swiftly dumping back to Goblin Town. That happened in March of 2024. That happened again in December of 2024. And since that $10 rally, we've seen Polkadot drop another whopping 85%. Now, these altcoins can be very, very volatile. When they are dumping, it looks like they are eventually going to zero. When they are dumping, it looks like they'll finish. It looks like there's no any hope for them resurrecting or pumping back to life. But guys, that's the game. That's the game you played. You have to think about it in 2 directions. The first time we saw Polkadot pumping, I'm sure many market participants were buying, thinking it can only go up from here. We are pumping to the moon forever. But that was not the case. Polkadot didn't go to the moon forever. And even though we saw it pump by more than 1,700% in just under 441 days, eventually gave back all those gains and dumped to Goblin Town. So I expect in the nearest future, one time in the future, we're going to see Polkadot also have a counter trend rally, at least, at best, attempt to rally to new highs from where we're currently trading right now, for Polkadot to get to that $10 region. Where we're trading in December of 2024, we'll need to see it give us a counter trend rally of around 500%. Now, over the last few years, a lot of market participants holding their Polkadots in their portfolio have not seen this altcoin give us a 500% pump to the upside. But remember, altcoins are very, very volatile, and volatility happens both ways. I'm just imagining a lot of market participants who have been shorting Polkadot over the last 1.5 years, getting more confident in their shorting abilities that this altcoins continue going to zero. How can they get liquidated? By Polkadot pumping to higher prices. Is there a guarantee that this might be the bottom? There's no guarantees, but we have to take up that leap of faith based on sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, based on years of experience of seeing a lot of altcoins dump to goblin town and eventually recover to higher prices. I won't be shocked to see Polkadot rally towards $10. Hopefully this time around we blast through the $10 region. The next critical point where I expect Polkadots to fly over, we expect Polkadots to give us good resistance might come in around the $23 level. From where we're currently trading right now, for Polkadots to get $23, we're going to see an epic reaction to the upside. We need to see around 1,400% pump to the upside for Polkadots to get towards $24. To get to new all-time highs, we need to see a gargantuan pump. That pump will have to give us more than 3,000% return. And usually, guys, when these pumps comes around, they are very sudden, very outrageous, and they are very eye-catching to draw back a lot of market participants inside. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme, the bottom and the top. The crowd will be wrong. At the bottom, the crowd is saying it's going to zero. At the top, the crowd believes it will continue going up forever. Our number one job is to do exactly the opposite of what the crowd is doing. If the crowd is losing money, we should be making money. If the crowd is selling for huge losses around the $1.52 level, I believe that's when we should be accumulating, getting ready for the next leg up. But guys, we also need to pay attention to Polkadot's performance against Bitcoin. In the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is the king of the market. If you're holding altcoins, you want to make sure that altcoin performs good against Bitcoin. You want to make sure the altcoin also perform good against Ethereum. For Polkadot's valuation against Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's been downhill since the end of the bull market in 2021. For Polkadot's performance against Bitcoin, it has just been dumping to goblin town with the occasional counter-trend rally here and there. If not, we have seen Polkadot lose 98% of its value over the last 1,750 days. There's two course of action right here, right now. Is either Polkadot continue going towards zero and eventually gets to zero, or one day in the nearest future, we see that counter trend rally that will shock a lot of bears in the market with Polkadot pumping aggressively to higher prices. We've seen this before in the cryptocurrency market. This time it's not different. When the counter rally comes, it's usually aggressive. It's usually out of the blue moon. We'll just see a big green candle. Polkadot could easily pull off a 1,000% move to the upside. Now, nobody knows the bottom. Nobody knows the exact day the bottom will come in, but there are signs and there are things to look out for when the bottom is coming in. When sentiment is very to the extreme, when market participants have no belief that there's going to be ever any chance of any rally to the upside, odds are in your favor. We're just around the turning to the pump to the upside. So when market participants are very bearish, when they're extremely pessimistic, that's when you want to be optimistic. That's when the opportunity is there. If you look at Polkadot's performance against Ethereum, similar price action to its performance against Bitcoin, it's been dumping since 2021. We have seen Polkadot lose more than 97% of its value against Ethereum since 2021. So at any point in time, guys, when the altcoin market starts taking off, when we see altcoins start having great time, pumping on a daily time frame, pumping on a weekly time frame, don't be shocked to see Polkadot being one of those altcoins outperform Bitcoin, outperform Ethereum, and catch a lot of bears off guard. Now, it's very important to pay attention to Polkadot's market cap. We have seen Polkadot's market cap drop to an all-time low. Polkadot has been in the cryptocurrency market since 2020, the 2021 bull market. So Polkadot's market cap get to as high as $53 billion. It feels like a dream, but that was what Polkadot was trading way back in 2021. From where we're currently trading right now, around the $2.6 billion level, Polkadot will need to rally up by more than 1,900% to get back to $53 billion. The last huge rally we saw in Polkadot, we saw it getting stopped out around the $16 billion level. And for us to get back to that $16 billion region, we need to see Polkadot pump by more than 537%. Anything is possible. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you buying Polkadots right now? Do you believe there's still chance we can still pump to the moon at some point in time in the future? Or you're very bearish, you're very pessimistic, thinking this will go to zero? Drop your thoughts about Polkadot in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.